Hey guys, check her out, man. I love that silver titanium paint I got. This paint here, this is called, hold on a sec, let me get the bottle or the can. Let me see. Satin Silver Metallic. That's actually a Honda color. It's for Honda cars. But anyway, let's go over what we did. We got our triple tree on. I painted these the same color as the frame. Got the engine on. I got all the mounting bolts in. I'm missing a bolt. I remember when I took the engine out, the dude was missing one engine. He was missing a nut. So I got to get one of those. This is on temporarily, but that's where I'm going to mount the crankcase ventilation filter. Not with that filthy screw. I'll get a different fastener for it. I got the air filter on. The air filter, I had to actually crush the sides of that in a little bit in order to fit it in because it was a tight fit. As you see, it's an exact fit, and I had to crush. I probably had to crush it in about 1/4 of an inch in order to get that sucker in there. But she's on, man. Yeah, I like the color of this frame here. I scratched it up in a couple places. I got to touch it up. But we got the engine in. Engine's set to go. Got our triple tree on. I have the harness off of the other frame. Now we're going to have to put the harness on this. We're going to get a set of drag bars. I'm going to put risers. I think I need 1 or 2 inch risers on here. A set of drag bars, and we're getting new controls, different levers. And then we're going to make a battery box, because we're going to put the battery right in here. So I'm going to have to weld probably a rod. I'm going to have to weld a pipe going across here, another one here, so on and so on. And then I might just buy the battery box kit. You can buy them on eBay. They're non-welded. I'll have to see, or maybe I'll make one out of aluminum to save weight. So that's that. But she's all ready to go. Now for the rear fender, I have an idea of making a rear fender out of 3 pipes. And then I can embed the brake light into the backs of the pipes. I can have like 3 pipes going down here, the center one a little longer, and then I'm going to slant cut. I'll slash cut the pipes, and I'll have 3 LED lights that screw into the backs of the pipes. I'm thinking of doing that. And the tank is going to be black, and the front fender is going to be gloss black. That's how we're going to do it. That it is going to be a nice motorcycle, man. That's going to give the Hayabusa, man. I might be on this more than a Busa. That's going to definitely turn a lot of heads, let me tell you. Guys, I'll check. Oh, it's about 4 or 5:30 in the morning, man, and I gotta go get a cup of coffee. Catch y'all later.